Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and this is going to be an interesting one. So I'm out for a ride. I came back to my hometown Vadodara, and I'll be leaving for my college, that is IIM Udaipur. As you can see, bike is ready. This is my Scarlet. All the luggage has been tied up, everything is done. So this is going to be a short ride, and basically 300 kilometers, 350 kilometers, and it shows 6 hours. I started riding at around 7:30. It took me a while to just unpack all my stuff, and yeah. So the journey so far has been good. I'll keep you guys posted. The weather is also good, as you can see. The sky is pretty. So I've taken a quick break and I've covered 230 kilometers. The time right now is 12 and it has started pouring heavily. I need to cover more. Just a moment, guys. So what I was saying is I've covered 220 kilometers and yeah, that is my bike. It is pouring cats and dogs. It has been pouring throughout the journey after 10 p.m. onward, 10 a.m. onwards. It has been continuously raining, but I have to tie my bags. This contains my laptop, so I had to be a little careful. I cannot continuously drive in the rain. This bike has gone a little bit dirty, but this highway number is 48. This is a beautiful highway, and this directly will take you to the, so I'll be taking this flyover, and this will directly take us to the Udaipur campus. So see you soon. As soon as I reach Udaipur, I'll be updating you guys. 325 kilometers approximately, and I have reached IIM Udaipur. So guys, I finally reached campus. Here is the bike. I'll have to untie all my stuff. So this is basically our parking, and yeah, it's a covered parking. A little bit tired, but no worries. I'm back in campus, so yeah, everything is good now.